How to turn off blinking lights on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the settings application on your device and further scroll down and tap on the accessibility option you see there. Now scroll down again to the hearing tab and you will see the option for audio and visual. Tap on that and then go ahead and tap on the LED flash for alerts option you see there. Now, go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for LED flash for alerts, as well as toggle off the toggle button for flash while unlocked and flash in silent mode. And with this, your iPhone will not blink anymore. So, this is how you can turn off blinking light on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.